So I don't know if you guys want to know about me, but I have a lot of questions about how did you start forex trading. All right, first of all, if you first started like forex trading, for real, the first thing you really need a motivation. You know what I'm saying? You really need a motivation. You must have somebody who you look up to. All right, somebody who knows how to make money in a forex market. And the other thing is, bro, somehow you're going to lose some motivation, you know what I'm saying? And don't be greedy for the money. All right, don't be like you need money more than you need the knowledge. First, remember that you need the knowledge to make money, not like you need the money to make money. The only thing you need is the knowledge in order to make money. So focus on the knowledge. And even if you start making money, because I remember I started making $2 a day. $2 a day. After that, I shifted to make $5 a day. I made $5 a day for almost 2 months, making $5 a day, until I started making $10 a day. After like 5 months, I was making like $10 a day. So don't be greedy for the money. Chase the knowledge to make money. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, how are you going to start making that money? That's the reason why you need to focus on the knowledge, bro. Like, for sure, focus on the knowledge in order to make the money. Because my teacher used to tell me, like, my mentor used to tell me that I should not focus on the money more than I focus on the knowledge. Because as soon as you focus on the knowledge so much, the money is gonna follow you. Trust me. The moment I used to make $2 a day, it's not that I didn't want a lot of money. I wanted a lot of money. So you need some freedom like this. And that money I was making is not like was able to pay my bills and everything. For real, I'm not gonna lie. I'm grateful today. It was part of my risk management according to the capital that I started with. And my mentor told me that I don't have to lose money in a market. You must have a big dream, because you have to start small. You need to have a big dream for sure. All right. So I started with $100, using my proper risk management by risking 2% of my capital. All right. That's why I was making $2 a day. You know what I'm saying? I did that for more than 2 months. Not that I didn't want to up the lot size and make like $20 a day, $50 a day, but somehow you have to stick on one strategy for some few weeks, you know what I'm saying, to make sure that you're going to perform in a right way. And after making $2 a day, I started making $5 a day after 2 months. And after 2 months, I started making $5 a day. I did that for almost 3 months. $5 a day by using proper risk management, by risking 2% of my account, of my capital. After that, I shifted making $10 a day. You know what I'm saying? As soon as I'm doing that for some time, the more I'm growing my capital and everything. You know what I'm saying? After I reach my $500, I start I start to up the lot size. You know what I'm saying? I up the lot size.
Come here, man.
I start using the lot size that's
Come
gonna
here,
give me
man.
$20 a day. You know what I'm saying?
I wanna
That's
catch one of
how
you guys.
I did it.
I wanna
And that's
catch
how I
one of
was able
you.
to
I
start
wanna catch one
growing
of you
by my
guys.
own. And I didn't forget to read so much books. All of my time I used to spend it in the market, reading the charts, reading the candlesticks, reading the books, you know what I'm saying? Just to build my knowledge, to make sure
I
I'm
wanna
that
catch
smart.
you. Come here.
Understand?
Come here. Let me catch you.
Because I
Let me catch
wanted
you. Let me
that
catch you.
job that's going to give me a
Oh.
freedom, you know what I'm saying?
Come here.
The job that's going
Oh. Let me
to
catch you.
make me
Let
not
me catch
even
you. Come here.
stressing every single day,
Let me
you know what I'm
catch
saying?
you. Let me catch
You know,
you.
the jobs that I'm not going to
Come
be
on.
like,
Come on. Come
yo,
on.
I have to be at work
Come
at
on.
this
Come on.
time.
Come on. Come on.
That's
Come
why
on.
I love
Come on.
Forex market. You know what I say? I love Forex trading because there's
Come
no limit
on,
like you have to work at this
please.
place, you have to
Come
take a
on,
taxi going to
man.
work. There's no limit
Yo.
as if you have to
Hey.
have a transport to go to
Come
work.
on. Come on. Come on. Come
Wherever
on. Come
you
on.
are,
Come on.
everywhere you are around
Hey.
the world, as long as you got a network,
Come on.
you
Let's
just log
eat.
into your
Let's eat.
laptop,
Let's have some
you open
food.
your laptop and start making money. That's what I love about Forex trading, not anything
Man.
else.
I wanna catch
That's why I had
one,
to
man.
put in work. I
I'm
I
happy, bro.
first had to love it first, because before before you do some job,
Yo.
you have to
Crazy.
love that job first. Feel that job in your blood. You know what I say? I had to love this job, this Forex trading. I have to, because I loved so much, and then I had to put too much work in it in order to make sure I'm
Okay.
become that
Out
person, that person,
of
that person,
the
that person that I wanted to
food.
be. You know what I'm saying?
Everything
It's very easy,
out.
bro. It's very easy. Just
Thank
love it
you.
and put in the work,
Thank you. Thank
push it,
you.
push
Thank
it so
you.
hard. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna
Thank
make it.
you. Thank
Trust
you.
me.
Thank
You're
you.
gonna make it. I don't have that much money, but I'm grateful. I'm surviving. You know what I'm saying? I pay my bills. I don't have a stress for the small problems and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I get whatever
You're
I
so
want. You know what
cute.
I'm saying? I'm really grateful. So in a life, what I believe in, you first have to survive. You know what I'm saying? And after being a survivor, after you can sort out all the problems, then you're gonna become a rich. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I believe in life. So I'm surviving. Every single problem that comes in my face, I can solve it.
Done.
That means a good life to me.
We done. Yo, guys, was my day in life today. It's a Sunday. So, tomorrow is the day for the business. Monday, it's time to grind tomorrow, Monday. So, as a Sunday, guys, I'm about to go check the market. I'm about to go get ready for the Monday. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you stay ready and stay hungry for the money. Every single time. Let's get it. Thank you for watching, guys. This was my day in life. We out.